Okay, we are ready to do the early bird draws. It is Tuesday, August 11th. Our lottery, the 2020 Tri-Hospital Lottery, sold out early by Thursday, July 30th, which is why we have our early bird draws today. The first early bird draw will be for the early bird Irwin Condo, or a Mercedes-Benz, or a Jayco trailer, or $200,000 cash. So we will be performing the draw through a random draw generator right now. Congratulations, Sandra Kosowan Dlugosh. Hopefully he's pronounced that correctly. We'll be contacting Sandra shortly to let her know about her winnings. Congratulations. The next draws will be for 20 winners of $1,000 cash in our next early bird draws. We will be doing that by a random draw generator, and we will draw now. All 20 winners have been selected. We will be contacting all 20 winners to let them know they've won $1,000. And we will be performing the next draws in about an hour for our main draw.